And I'm Stefan.
And we are...
We always had a dream to travel Australia.
So we packed up our lives and began our adventure in our renovated caravan called Rocket.
Be sure to tune in every week to see where our adventures take us next. So we're heading to a dam, and they have another one of these, but it actually looks like, we never really looked at them properly. So it only matters about 72 hours of heavy rain. But yeah, it says don't get it up your nose. Oh, so yeah, it might be worse in other areas. But yeah, that's what it says, and that's like, it's like, yeah, the last couple of towns I've been in, they all say you can't put your head under, like you shouldn't put your head under. It's so weird thinking about, like, it's so hot, I can't jump into that water. Oh, it's ridiculous.
So similar to like the MTB and stuff where you can't swim in the ocean and stuff.
Yeah.
The crocodiles getting out.
Crazy stuff. Look at these birdies.
15,000 birds in the world.
Yeah, apparently only 15,000. I don't know about that one. Let's see if I can mega zoom this. Probably not what I'm riding. Not too bad. How awesome is this? It says like closed waters, motorized vehicles, like you're not allowed them. Electric powered vehicles exempt. So you're allowed, if you have an electric powered vehicle, you can have it here. That is so awesome. I absolutely love that. It's fantastic. I want to make an electric kayak, obviously. So, you know, I could take it here, like legally. I mean, like I can't legally ride this, but I could legally have a kayak. It's pretty cute. It's pretty cute. Just doing a bit of adventuring around on the unicycle, and got to a Waroona dam. It's pretty big, and it looks quite nice and blue. So obviously people are surfing. Another guy here. There it is. Whoa, there's 3 people. It's a very small boat for 3 people. I mean, it doesn't look like they're going overly fast. It's also like not, you're kind of just holding on behind the boat. Oh, yeah, that's a trick. Yeah, it's a pretty cool dam. And check out this runaway. Under there and all the way out here. Another reason why I'm loving unicycles. Just squish into the fence, slide it on through. It would have been so annoying trying to carry it over this fence. Like, look at this height of this fence. That would suck. Glad there's a little divot here though, makes it easier. And explore this little, I don't know what this is. Looks like a couple ovals. So we got to the new place. It's Nanga Brook. This is us. This is where we're staying. I'll show you a little view from above. And yeah, there's a lot of mountain bike tracks and just trails around. We're going to explore while we're here. And yeah, we'll probably see on track.
And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need.
Just made it to Lane Pool. It's pretty nice. It's Saturday, so there's a lot of people around. It's pretty cool. It like comes down, treks through all these rocks, And goes to this little bridge. It's definitely a bit nicer over there. It's way less people. Going on guacamole down the trail. We finished all the mountain bike tracks. Some were challenging, some were very confusing and kind of just send you all over the place with no signs. But there's a lot of rough berms as well, but there was a few smooth ones and it was pretty nice all in all. And we're, what was the name of this place?
Island Pool.
Island Pool. We're at Island Pool. It's fairly clear water, which is nice. Definitely cleaner than the last place by the looks of it. So we might swim here. Because yeah, look at that cleanliness. There's a bunch of other people here too. But check it out. It's a nice looking place.
How did you make it across so quickly, Cameron?
We booked 2 nights at this place, and we just the first night we wanted to check out all the mountain bike trails, and the rest I think we're just gonna ride around on the bike. There's loads of just trails that just go along the river and such. It's really wide here. It's amazing. Great place for a skinny dip. Tempting. I don't know if it's quite deep enough though. I can see the rocks from here. You testing it out? See how it feels? Is it warm? What? What is it? Cool. That sounds cool. Oh, it's nice. It's quite clean. I like it. I mean, it looks clean. So we're probably about like halfway through the Pinjarra trail, and it was supposed to take 6 hours in this heat. It is good to have a bike. It has been like really easily rideable. I don't know how rideable it's going to be now though.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, right here. And I've just got this.
So it's pretty straight. It's a class 4 hike though. I don't know. Oh, these damn horseflies are all over the place. Yeah, we'll see how we go. Hopefully it's good. It's been a little too challenging, and I'm not going to be able to do it comfortably with 2 people. So they can
It
film.
just keeps going and gets worse and worse.
Yeah, it just gets more and more challenging. This is not easy getting up.
Oh, got it.
Alright, back the way we came. This is just on the way back. It's just a huge sign, I guess, telling you where everything is. That's pretty funny what people said. This is what we want it to look like. Huge balloon. There's too much green here. I'm too rich. What does that say? Oh, I'm too rich to care. I'm too rich to care. I'm hungry. This chick's pretty funny. fucking thing keeps growing back. Good stuff. Just headed on from the last place and now we're dwelling up. It's a quaint looking little town. I think we might go around on the unicycle and scooter later on and check out the town. But for the moment, there's a bunch of mountain bike tracks that we can access from this point. So we're just parked on like this side of the road and I'm gonna get the bike off and do a bit of exploring. So these trails are pretty massive and they're also kind of, they're alright, they're pretty chill. But we're thinking about doing this blue one. How many Ks is it?
7 circuit. It's a bike.
Huh? Oh,
it's a bike.
Squeaking weirdly. And yeah, so we're doing 7 Ks this one.
I reckon we should go up the Blaze, do the Ripper, and then finish it.
Yeah, because this one's got 5 stars, the one we're about to do, and all these ones are starred, rated. So we'll suss them out. But yeah, let's check it out. We'll probably record little bits, maybe. I don't know. It depends how interesting it is.
It's quite dry out here.
It's pretty chill trail, and chill trails aren't that great for recording. Also, there's so many blowflies. Get out of here. I'm just looking around Dwelling Up, and they have an unfortunately awesome skate park, which I'm probably not going to be able to do because my trust in my unicycle at the moment is quite low. But yeah, I'll do a little bit of it. Hopefully it doesn't drop me. Hopefully I can even go down this. I rode up it and it was alright. Don't drop me, don't drop me, don't drop me. That was a little jump. To Pinjarra. Long ass bridge. Oh, that's sick. It's got it down pat. So I hired that little kid for a little while. It was pretty sweet, cool kid. He was pretty good at drifting that thing. He tried to teach me how to do it. I just couldn't do it. I don't know why. It's like every time I throttle and turn, it just like wanted to go straight. It's pretty funny. But yeah, he told me he was showing me around the area a little bit. And he also mentioned there may be some dirt jumps behind the cemetery. So that's where I am at the moment, at the cemetery. I have no idea where these dirt jumps could be though. He seemed pretty keen to ride around this like foresty area. I don't know if he would go on the road, despite how bold his tires were. I think it was from the spinning out though. But anyway, keep exploring around and see what the town has to offer. I think I found them, but I think at this point they're more sand than they are jumps. There's another one there. I tried to jump it, but it just ate my tire. Damn. He said there may be some in old people's home. I'm not too sure, but yeah, it doesn't sound like there's much for jumps around here. So I'm gonna keep on looking around and see what else I can find. Wish it wasn't so goddamn thirsty, because everything around here has like a kind of brownish sort of a rusty color to it. Everything does. Found a skate park, by the way. But yeah, I don't know. Hopefully I don't die from that. It's probably a lot of iron, I reckon, in the water. Let's see what this place is. Doesn't look too bad. Whoop, whoop. Unicycle's actually been pretty good today. Hasn't stuffed up once yet. Every time I start to trust it though, that's when it happens. It's not a bad little skate park. Woo. Might be able to jump that. Nice. It did a little bit of my landing, so I think that's going to be my last jump for today. Check these trains out. It's pretty sweet flying through them. This one, I lost all my GPS. This is 0 GPS. Do you like the trains there? They're pretty magic. Yeah, pretty magical though, hey? Pretty magical. It looks even creepier with the flashlight on.
Yeah.
On. I reckon.
Let's walk through to the other side.
Huh?
Let's walk through to the other side.
Sure. Oh, that's creepy.
It's interesting to find out like what's this for. Like there is obviously cargo for it.
Yeah, but there's no evidence of like
Seats.
chairs. Oh wait. Oh yeah, right there. Yeah, there was. There probably was seats in here.
That should be.
It's a little bathroom. Oh wow, there's still paper towel. Do you reckon it's still white after the second one? Ooh. Not gonna come down, is it? Oh, look at that. It's in pretty good condition. Little toilet. What's this place? Oh, it's not a toilet.
There's no toilet left though. Is there? Oh wow, there actually is.
Oh, and it's got like an actual flushable. Don't want to drop my phone down there.
No, I wonder where it goes to.
I don't know. Tank underneath, I guess. What's it called? Water unfit to drink.
This might have been like first class.
Oh, who knows? Certainly isn't anymore. Not the greatest of seals.
No.
There's our toilets.
I'm stepping over that. Comfy chairs.
Yeah, not too bad. They could go nice in the caravan.
You take it.
There you go first.
Oh yeah, and then this one's empty. Yeah, okay. This is what I feel like I remember.
Yeah, it's
Because
pretty
I remember
empty.
stepping over the seat.
Yeah, the ones up there are a little more crowded with stuff thrown all over the place.
How much better should we do? Should we go up there?
I'm happy to check it out if you want. You want to go with them?
Yeah.
Let's go now.
Don't know.
Man, where's the steps at? Check this one out. It's pretty classy.
Whoa,
They're like double door out. What? They feel so olden style and classy.
That's a wheel?
This is how you power the train. found one that was like pretty closed. Look at that.
Flowers.
I mean, they're fake.
Whoa. Okay, that's
They've got tables? That is awesome. When did trains have tables?
Art material stuff. Now it's like felt.
Oh, that is nice. Yeah, there's only a couple of broken windows in this one. Oh, there's one there.
Jill, what a classy
There's
name.
quite a few broken windows.
Good nick though.
I was really nervous about flying the drone through this one because, yeah, if there's only one or two windows and the drone knocks something, it might be hard to get it. Yeah, it's pretty good nick.
What's these pins made out of? What just material?
Yeah. It's cloth.
This one would
Pretty
be.
cool little... Look at that. Every single one of these is smashed.
And then there's this like.
Whoa. Catering staff. This is awesome now. The train just got cooler.
Catering.
That's cool as.
Kitchen?
It's his kitchen. Oh, who locks this? I guess it makes sense. A little water boiler.
But what's on the outside of this?
There's just a walkthrough. Yeah. Never been in a train kitchen. Whoa, that's so many burners.
I hope there's no one cat.
Yeah, you'd hope not. And that's all like the spare stuff. Oh, we have to go through the other one. Ouch.
What's that?
Didn't have nails? No, sweet. No, no nails. It really hit me in the ankle.
Scared me.
I got the torch and I'm still not looking where I'm going. Oh, that's a bit of soft floor. It's like all the spare stuff.
Can we get through it?
I don't know. It really hurt my ankle. Please don't collapse on us. You look awfully heavy.
I don't even know if we're going to get out.
I sure hope that we can. This is quite the commitment so far. Ankle. Oh, that's awfully boarded up. Oh, you know what though? If that's just... Ugh. Yeah, it definitely needs a key.
No, gotta go back out.
May as well
We're
try
done
this
here.
one. Ah, damn it. Alright,
Long
back we
walk
come.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never